For decades, operational knowledge lived in manuals and PDFs. But today, frontline teams work faster and in constantly changing environments. Organizations now need knowledge to appear directly where the work is happening in real time. Just point, touch, learn. Step-by-step instructions appear directly on equipment, guiding users through tasks clearly while they work, reducing confusion and improving speed, accuracy, and confidence. Exactly when guidance matters most. Instructions for use, procedures, and training are transformed into interactive guidance that walks users through complex operations, helping them complete critical tasks safely, efficiently, and with confidence. These experiences appear directly in the user's environment, on mobile devices, tablets, or XR wearables. Users can access step-by-step procedures, subject matter expert videos, digital twins of equipment, and guided workflows that support them while the work is actually happening. Modern AR and XR technology makes this type of real-time guidance possible. Operational knowledge becomes interactive and visual, helping teams learn faster, complete tasks correctly, and deliver consistent results across training, maintenance, and complex operational environments. This is the power of ambient intelligence. Visit bundleer.com to see in action.